Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install free email verification plugin for WooCommerce. This plugin will reduce the number of spam accounts and orders on your WooCommerce website. So whenever someone creates an account on your WooCommerce website or makes a purchase on your WooCommerce website, it is going to send an email to the user's email address. The user will need to click on the verification link in the email, and after that it is going to verify the email address of the user. This will reduce the number of spam users on your WooCommerce website. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and this is a demo WooCommerce website. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here search for email verification for WooCommerce. If you scroll down, you will see this plugin, Customer Email Verification for WooCommerce. This is a free version of the plugin and it has been installed on more than 7,000 WordPress websites. So click on Install Now and click on Activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left-hand panel, you will see this option here, a WP Factory. Click on it and you will see the option Email Verification. Click on it. Now these are the settings of this plugin. Block unverified logins. If you check this option, it is going to block the login from unverified users. If you uncheck this option, then it is going to disable the account verification. So make sure that this option is checked. Login on activation. Log in the user automatically after the account is verified. Then we have guest users. Verify guest users. If enabled, check out as guest user billing address will be verified. Then we have account verification for current registered users. If you already have some customers on your WooCommerce website, and if you check this option here, verify account for current users, then it is going to send email to all the existing users and they will need to verify their email address by clicking on the verification link. So this is when you check this box. Ignore the user role administrator. So administrator does not need to verify the email address. Then we have verification parameter, so you don't need to make any changes here. Verification info, password reset, verify the user on password reset. This is not available, paying customer. Then we have verify customers as soon as any of their non-free orders are considered paid. Then we have my account page, show account verification info on my account page. Then we have widget, activation link settings. Expire time is 0 seconds, so you don't need any expiration for that link. Expire notice, link has expired, so this is the notice if the link is expired. Then we have redirect on success, so whenever the verification is done, it is going to redirect them to the my account page, or you can enter a custom redirect URL here. A redirect on failure, so you can enable this option and enter the custom URL if you want them to redirect to any specific page after the failure of the activation. Then we have reset section settings. So you can also enable this option, check the box and save the changes to reset. All right, so I'm not going to make any changes here. Next to that, we have shortcodes. You will see some shortcodes are there. Then we have email. You'll see an option WC email template. So it is going to use the email verification plugins template. Then we have common placeholders. I don't think we need to make any changes here. Blocking, go to blocking. Then we have blocked pages. It blocks the contents for unverified users, including guests, by limiting access to the content URL. So you can add the pages or the URL if you want the unverified users not to go to those pages. Right, then we have admin. Admin options, allowed user roles. You can allow the user roles, then user filters, verified columns. So leave it as it is. Now I'm going to open the same website in another browser where I'm not logged in. Let's go to another browser and let's add some products in the cart. Let's add this one in the cart and let's add one more product in the cart. And let's go to view cart. And go to proceed to checkout. Now if I scroll down here, you will see email address. So I need to enter the email address and I can create an account while making purchase. Now I'm going to enter the email address here and you will see an option here, send a verification email. So it is going to send verification email to this specified email address, and the customer will be able to go to the email account and click on the verification link so that the account will be created automatically. So this is on the checkout page. Let's go back to the home page, and I'm going to create an account here. So let's go to my account. I'm not logged into the website yet, so I'm going to register as a new user here. So I'm going to enter the email address here. Click on register. Now here you will see a message, thank you for your registration. Your account has to be activated before you can log in. Please check your email. So it has sent an email to the email account. So let's go to the email, and you will see this email has been received. Thanks for creating an account on this website. And here you will see, click here to set your new password. So we have not created a password yet. So I can click on this link and I can create a new password. So I'm going to copy this link and open in the same browser here. And I'm going to enter a new password here. And I'm going to re-enter the password, click save. And it says your password has been reset successfully. Now here you can see that the account has been created. However, the verification status is unverified. So you can resend the email with the verification link by clicking here. So I'm going to click on this link. And it says your activation email has been sent. Please check your email. And you will see an email like this. Please click here to verify your email on this website. So if I click on it, it is going to activate my account on this website. And you will see that your account has been activated and the verification status is verified. So this customer is now a verified customer. If I go to the dashboard and go to users, go to all users. Now here you will see the new customer that we created and the verification status is verified. So this customer is a verified customer. So this is how you can use this free email verification plugin for WooCommerce website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.